Hi there, my name is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in our area for general contractors and I came across your website and I thought I would shoot you this quick little video to analyze your online presence. So at the end of the video, if you could just send me some feedback on if the video was helpful or not, that would be greatly appreciated. If you're interested in following up with a strategy session on how we can help you, reach out to me, call me, text me, email, that's great. And if not, no harm, no foul, no problem. Hopefully you can take some of these tips that I give you and implement them yourself. So to get started, I'm going to cover three areas that we deal with for our customers online. We talk about content. I'm going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm going to start with your website here. I'm going to talk about content. And your website looks great. You have a nice, really big, easy to see your phone number. And that's great because sometimes it's hard for customers to find. You have a nice header here. Some great moving pictures here. Content is actually how these pictures are saved. So hopefully they're saved as some keywords that people are searching in your niche. Keywords for general contractors could be anything like roofing, bathroom installations, home remodeling, flooring. It is very broad for general contracting, but we could search all that on our programs and find out what those words are that are most relevant and highly searched. So Google likes to see about 1,500 words on your home page, on your front page here. And if you could increase the amount of words on your page, it would help you rank higher in Google. If you could just increase your content. So that's something we would take a look at and try to increase your content and put highly specific, relevant keyword niche words in there with high search volume to make you rank higher in Google. The second thing I'm going to talk about here is our citations. A citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number, and how many times it appears on the internet. So it could be on an online directory such as Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, anything that allows you to post your name, address, and phone number. The more the better because you're recognized and trusted more by Google by doing that. So these top ads here are Google guarantees, and you kind of have to go through a process and pay for them. I highly recommend you do, though, because these tend to go get the best leads. You're getting people who are very interested in what you are doing as opposed to some of the garbage leads that other ads provide. Underneath here are your just regular traditional Google ads. They can be helpful as well. Sometimes people nowadays are putting ad blockers on because the ads are just so overwhelming, but ads can definitely be helpful. Here is where citations come into play, your map pack. Believe it or not, this is where people click the most. It gives the website, if they have one, directions, shows a map, gives a name and a phone number with an easy click. And these people are ranking here because they went through a process to do so, and they also just have a lot of citations throughout the web, as well as other factors. But you basically want to go into find out where these people are getting their citations from, where this business is getting their citations from, and do that and then do more. So if they have 500 citations, we would do 600 citations to help you outrank in that sense. So that's why citations are important. The last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. A backlink is another website that links back to yours. So it's important to have backlinks and referring domains because, again, the more you're recognized over Google, the higher your rankings will go. So you want to be in the top 3 here. Those are people who are getting the most traffic, and underneath it right here. And I see that there's a lot of ad groups here like Hal's, Angie's, Home Advisor, Yelp, General Contractors, The Best, Philly Magazine. So it looks like no one is really ranking organically here on your first page. It's just a bunch of ads and the map pack. So I took someone from the map pack here. I just chose Mr. Contractor. Popped them into our program, Ahrefs. This program is about $100 a month. If you were looking to get it, it would help you analyze your own online presence. And if you look at Mr. Contractor, he has 502 backlinks, 126 referring domains. So his name, his business is being mentioned in 126 different places that are providing 502 backlinks. Because of that, and probably some other reasons, maybe content as well, he's getting 253 visits to his website organically a month. So 253 people are going to his website and checking it out. And here's his website. I just pulled it up just to research it a little bit. Lots of pictures, still not 1,500 words. But nonetheless, a lot of backlinks. I did yours as well. And you have 165 backlinks and 18 referring domains. So you guys are just linked a lot less on the web than someone like Mr. Contractor over here. And that is resulting in about 1 visit per month for online. And again, where Mr. Contractor is getting about 243 visits a month. So you can see the difference here. We could certainly help you create backlinks and rank higher so that you would outrank Mr. Contractor, be ahead of him, and then people would click on you before they even saw him. So I hope this was helpful. If you can take some of the tips yourself and implement them, great. If you're interested in learning more about how Christie's Leads can help, please reach out via email, text, or phone. And if not, no harm, no foul, no problem. Again, if you could provide some feedback on the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.